I'm Jennifer Van Berklio, online editor for Power Engineering. With more than 3.7 gigawatts installed, 2014 was the best year for utility-scale solar power installations, beating the nearly 3.4 gigawatts installed in 2013. The 280-megawatt Mojave solar project was the largest of 109 solar project phases completed in the fourth quarter of 2014. Coming in second was the 255-megawatt Phase 4 for the Topaz Solar Farm. The U.S. total now sits at 10.6 gigawatts of operating utility-scale solar capacity. Basin Electric Power Cooperative wants to expand the capacity of its 135-megawatt Pioneer generating station. Basin wants to construct up to 12 gas engines to add up to 111 megawatts. The State Public Service Commission will hold a public hearing on the $161 million proposal for people to express concerns or support for the project and ask questions. Now let's shoot over to Sharon Dotson, editor of Nuclear Power International magazine, for today's nuclear headline.
Thanks, Jennifer. The NRC will begin full certification review of KEPCO and Korea Hydro and Nuclear Power's application to certify the APR 1400 reactor design for use in the U.S. The certification process determines whether a reactor design meets basic U.S. safety requirements. Companies can then reference a certified design while applying for a combined license to build and operate that reactor in the U.S. If the certification is issued, it is valid for 15 years. The NRC's Advisory Committee on Reactor Safeguards provides input on design certification reviews. Emirates Nuclear Energy Corporation is building 4 APR 1400 reactors at its first nuclear power plant in the UAE. For more on the application process, visit the Power Engineering website. That's your nuclear news for today. I'm Sharon Dotson, editor of Nuclear Power International magazine.
Thanks, Sharon. In other news, Google is investing $300 million equity stake in a fund created by SolarCity to finance nearly 25,000 residential solar projects. The fund also includes $450 million from debt financing, bringing the overall fund total to $750 million. The fund allows homeowners to pay a monthly fee to lease the panels, allowing residential solar to be more affordable to customers. With the investment, Google can claim federal tax credits worth 30% of the solar project's costs. Mark your calendars for Powergen Natural Gas. Powergen Natural Gas is August 18th through the 20th at the Greater Columbus Convention Center in Columbus, Ohio. Join some of the top names in the energy industry to discuss the issues surrounding technology, operation, construction, and maintenance of gas-fired power and production from unconventional hydrocarbon resources. For more information, visit power-gennaturalgas.com. Well, that's your power generation news for now. Thanks for watching, and be sure to look for this newscast twice a week on the Power Engineering website. And you can always connect with our editors and join in on the discussions on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. For Power Engineering News, I'm Jennifer Van Berklio.